Hi, my name is Fiorenza. I am the founder and developer of GameChanger.Wallet, and this is the closeout report of our fund, Catalyst Fund 11, Cardano Open for Developers ecosystem project of 200,000 ADAs called GameChanger open sourcing now to help CIP30 spec upgrade. So the goal of this project was to improve and open source our dapp-connector schema, which builds on 3 years of development experience under this particular ecosystem design, including extensive user feedback, maintenance and documentation for the developer community, and also to serve as a proper technical reference for the update or enhancement process Cardano CIP30 specification may face on the near future. With this project, we have contributed to the Cardano developer ecosystem by providing over 150 in total open source code examples, by also improving our JSON schema, which is the specification of the dapp-connector itself, as you can see here, and extensive documentation around this dapp-connector specification, not just on the schema itself, but also human readable documentation. Through this dapp-connector specification and wallet implementation, we reduce required tooling and dependencies down to zero for any developer willing to build on Cardano. We simplify Cardano learning curve and UTXO management. We enhance user anonymity on the apps or connections with the wallet, and increase interoperability and composability across the apps, hardware devices, frontends, backends, and even other agents or clients like social media and messaging apps. Additionally, our solution, now properly documented for technical audiences, serves as a testing ground for upcoming standards or upgrades, for example on CIP30 dapp-connector specification, accelerating the adoption of new technologies within the Cardano community. Key achievements of this product includes reviewing and expanding the JSON schema of this dapp-connector, which is the technical specification of this dapp-connector design, which is a JSON schema that is not only usable for other software, but also by including a lot of human readable descriptions and embedded code examples, is that we are also able to improve and generate and produce this more human readable documentation around it, and also we wrote around 50 pages of human readable documentation, which is like a general documentation for developing on Cardano, but through this using this dapp-connector specification, the documentation goes from the dapp-connector itself, and how to integrate this with this dapp-connector, from transactions, any kind of transactions, payments, mints, multi-sig transactions, and smart contracts transactions using Helios, for example, the embedded compiler on the dapp-connector implementation on the wallet. And also topics like key derivation, address building, personal account wallets, multi-sig wallets with what we call workspaces. and other topics as well. And also, last but not least, one of the most nicest achievements regarding collaboration was being able to host a successful workshop in Buenos Aires that helped us gather valuable community feedback and share the findings and the design principles around this dapp-connector design. And we want to thank UTN, Jose Yadisico, and Keoa for the amazing organization and all the attendees. We had a great evening on Buenos Aires. Looking ahead, we will continue to release and maintain updated versions of the JSON schema and documentation, inviting the community to collaborate on this open source initiative. We're grateful to Catalyst and our supporters for enabling us to contribute to Cardano growth and decentralization. Thank you for your ongoing support, and thank you for watching.